Hey friends, it's Easter week and we want to do a craft with you today. So, Cameron, do you love crafts?
I love crafts. They're my favorite thing to do.
She does love crafts. But we have an Easter craft we want to do with you guys today. It's super fun. I do encourage you guys to do this as a family. There are times that you're probably going to need an adult's help, but it's even more fun if you guys just do it all together. So, first thing you're going to need is some cardboard. Now, we got this cardboard from a box. An adult cut this cardboard off of a box, and this is when I suggest you use an adult. And then you're gonna trace an egg. I don't know if you guys can see the egg on here, but we just lightly traced an egg shape onto our cardboard. So we had someone help us do this because I'm not the best at this, so find your best artist in the house, have them draw you an egg. And then you're gonna cut this out. Now, this is something that, once again, an adult, probably you're gonna need a really good pair of scissors, or you can use like a knife. I don't know, but please let parents help you. All right, so you're gonna cut this out, which I'm just gonna kind of show you real quick. You're gonna cut it all the way out. When you are done cutting it out, it's gonna look something like this, okay? So we have our egg shape, Cameron. All right, I'm gonna give you this one, and we're gonna go through the next step. So once you have that, we have several different paints out today, different colors. If you don't have paint, you can do this with markers. That would work well. And then you can also use crayons if that's all you have to use, but I recommend paint. It's gonna show up the best. So you can either leave yours just like this, just the brown cardboard, or you can paint white on the bottom as a base paint. The only thing that helps if you paint it white is you have to sometimes do less coats with certain colors, but it does work well just doing the cardboard. So either one is going to work perfectly fine. So that's your first step. Either leave it plain or go ahead and paint it white. If you paint it white, you have to allow it to dry for the next step. So the next step is we're going to put tape, this type of tape, on our egg. So this is painter's tape, but you can use a masking tape. If you have washi tape, that would work too, but you're basically just gonna pull off different pieces of tape and you are going to tape it on to your egg in whatever pattern that you like. So just real quick, I'll show you. Make sure you press it down really good so that it doesn't bleed. All right. So Cameron, would you like a piece?
Yes.
All right. So here we go. She's gonna do hers that way. And you can do this in different patterns. It doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong way to do this, all right? I'm gonna put one more piece on mine. Do you want another piece or are you good? All right. So once again, just press it down really, really, really good, okay? Then the next step, you're gonna pick your paint, whatever colors you want. It's up to you, use your creativity. We have several different colors out here that are bright and colorful. And then basically you're just gonna paint your egg. So you're just gonna pick a color, whatever you're feeling. We'll try some blue. And you're gonna do it kind of thick, okay? It's going to take multiple coats no matter what you do. So just keep that in mind and go ahead and just paint on there. Okay, I'm just gonna stop with that. But you guys kind of see. So you're gonna put your tape down and then start your painting. All right, Cameron's doing hers. I'm gonna lay this one off to the side and show you the next step. So here's one that we've done a couple. This has got 2 coats on it, okay? So we've done pink down here, purple up here, and then Miss Cameron, you can finish this one, all right? So she's gonna keep painting that one. All right, you can do whatever you feel like. Now, guys, like we have several different types of brushes. Like there's little sponge brushes. You can do polka dots on there. You can do zigzags. You can take your tape and make a zigzag on your egg. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. So this one is almost done. And on this one, let's see. We're gonna do some polka dots down here on the bottom. So just use your creativity, have some fun. You can make this a competition to see who can have the best egg. You can have people judge them on social media if you want to, whatever you guys are feeling. But have fun with it, be creative. All right. All right, so this one, I'm gonna let this one dry before I peel all the tape off. But they can all look different. They don't have to look the same. All right, Miss Cameron, how you doing over there?
Good.
Doing good?
Yeah, we did exactly. This color is really white.
Yeah, some of the colors are really light on here, so use a good amount of paint, okay? All right, and then we're gonna let this one dry. I'm gonna set it over here to dry. Let's actually just leave this whole paper towel. All right, so once it's dried and you've done multiple coats, kind of like this egg right here, this is done, we've done 2 coats of everything. This egg, let's see if this is a brown one.
It may be.
And then white. I think this is Camry's.
Yeah, that one was good. Yeah, that was mine.
Okay, so then once everything's dry, you're just gonna peel this up. Now you have to be careful. Hey, there we go. If it is gonna stick to your cardboard, you can just lay it down, you're good.
Okay. Down here.
So gently pull it up so that you don't rip too much of your cardboard that doesn't have paint on it.
Let's see here.
All right. So once you peel your tape off, this is what this egg looks like right here. Now, after you've done this, you can go back if you would like. And you can do some different designs on here. You can do polka dots on here. You can leave it just like this if this is what you want to do, okay? It's whatever you want. I think we're gonna leave this one like this. It looks pretty cool. What do you think? You like it? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's where you peel the tape off. Remember to do it gently as you peel the tape off. And here is one that is completely finished. Now, okay, Max, I want to see your egg. Hold your egg up for everybody to see. You're doing a great job. Check out that egg. Yes, check that out. All right, so we are also going to encourage you guys, this is gonna be a fun social media thing, but if you want to, we're gonna encourage you to take, if you have like a popsicle stick, any type of stick, anything that you can attach to the back of your egg, okay? And then what we want you to do, we're gonna encourage all of our VF kids to do this, stick these out in your yard, you can stick them in your windows, and then take pictures of them for us, kind of like an egg hunt, okay? So, Camry, what do you think of our finished eggs?
I like them.
Yes. Okay, guys, so this is a super simple, easy craft. Most of you are gonna have all of this at home. And so we'd love to see your finished products on Facebook, Instagram. Just tag us in your posts so that we can see them. We hope you have a great day, and join us again on Thursday, maybe Saturday. We're gonna have another activity for you guys. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.